Let's discuss the MCQ paper today. Yes, first answer is 87. That's right. Rayan Kumar, Rayan Azhar Khan. 87 is the correct answer. Not a prime number. That's right. Kanishka Charvi. That's right. Next, second answer. You can see the diagram. Which type of angle it is? Complete, zero, straight, or none of these? Okay, none of these. Charvi, you're right. Rayan Kumar, right. Inshal Ahmad, right. Kanishka is right here. Yes, that is a straight angle. C part. Movie. None of these is wrong. Anya Pali, this is a straight angle. Let's move to the next question. Polygon having 6 sides is called a hexagon. That's right. Joel is right. Inshal is right. Kanishka right. Movie right. Yes. The correct answer is hexagon. That's the correct answer. Bhumika Prapti right. Next, let's move to the fourth question. The smallest positive integer is. Bhuvi, you're wrong here. Tanishk right. Charvi right. Rayan right. Prapti wrong here. Vidima wrong. Joel is right here. Vidima now right. Kanishka, you're wrong here. Bhuvi wrong. Chirag is right. Rayan Azhar Khan. Kanishka right. Prapti, you're wrong here. So the answer is 1. Fourth answer is 1 here. B part. Smallest positive integer is 1. It's Charvi, Arab Sharma. Next is smallest odd prime number. The smallest odd prime number is. Tanishk is right. Ridhima wrong. Charvi is also wrong. Aditya Biswas right. Rayan Azhar Khan wrong. Ridhima wrong. Hassan Malik wrong. Arab Sharma wrong. Rayan Azhar Khan is right. Bhuvi right. Charvi right. Answer is 3. The smallest prime number over here is 3. Chahak is right. Ridhima right. What about Rayan Kumar? You're not answering me. Joel, 1 or 2 answers you have given. Now you have stopped. Chirag Rawat not giving any answers. Bhumika, Kavya, Anya Pali, your camera is still off. Kavya, your camera is off. Hassan Malik. Anish Mathan, please settle down at one place. Light is coming on the side. I can't see you properly. Next answer is every negative integer is less than. Charvi, you're right here. Ridhima is right. Arav Sharma wrong. Bhuvi is right. Rayan Kumar right. Rayan Kumar is right. Rayan Azhar Khan is right also. Yash wrong. Aditya right. Chahak wrong. No, Chahak is correct. Bhumika is wrong here. Joel is right. So 0 is the correct answer. Negative, every negative integer. हर negative integer 0 से less than होता है. Okay? So every negative integer is less than 0. आप कोई भी negative integer you will be taking it, it is always less than 0. Keep it in your mind. Yes, Jen, you are wrong here. Question number 7. 8 whole 4/3 when expressed in proper fraction. Yes, Rayan, Charvi, right. Joel, wrong. Vishal is correct. Chirag, yes, Jan. 28/3 होगा बेटा. 23/3 is wrong. Kanishka. Ridhima right. Chahak right. 28/3 is the correct answer. 3/28 Anish wrong. Kanishka is right. 28/3 is the correct answer. B part. That's right. So let's move to the question number 8. Which of the following pair will have HCF as 1? No, Ridhima. Charvi is right here. A is correct, Joel. Kanishk is right here. Bhuvi is right here. Rayan Azhar Khan right. Anya Pali right. Okay, Prapti. That's right. Chehek. Chirag is wrong here. Riyan Kumar is also wrong here. That's wrong, Chirag, Riyan Kumar. Your answers are wrong. The answer will be A part, 16 by 25. 16 and 25 are the pairs who are having the HCF as 1. Highest common factor is 1 here. Next, we'll discuss 9th question. 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 is equivalent to C part, right? Charvi. क्या कर रहे हो बेटा? 21st नहीं, wrong है चारवी आपका. Yes, yes, you are right here. Tanish, 21st. Riyan Kumar is right here. Chehek is right. Aditya Biswas wrong. Bhuvi Tandon wrong. Joel is right. Inshal, no. Aditya Goyal, no. So the answer is C part. Question number 9. C part is the correct answer. 1 whole 11 by 12. What happened, Tanish?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that, ma'am, my answer is right or
What is your answer?
ma'am, D part.
No,
Okay, ma'am.
B part is not right. C part is correct. Next question. Yes, Riyan Azhar Khan, you're right. Chehek, right. Riddhima, right. Anya Pali, you're also right. And Riyan Kumar is right. Inshal is right here. The answer is telemarks. That's correct answer. Telemarks is the right answer, Charvi. Question number 10, B part is wrong. Joel. Tanishk is right. Bhumika, Riddhima is wrong here. Wait, Riddhima, I'm moving to the next question. Wait. Next is reflex. That is right. Reflex is right. Yes, Charvi, Riyan Kumar, you're right here. Yes, Anya Pali, Joel, you're right here. But Chehek is right. Bhumika is right. Yes. Let's move to question number 12. 12 question is Arab Sharma is right here. Prapti is also right. Question number 12. Aditya Biswas correct. Charvi is correct. Riyan Kumar wrong. Riddhima is right. Yes, Jen right. Riyan Kumar right. Chirag is right. Tanishk is right. Joel is right. Prapti is also right. Riyan Kumar. Riyan Azhar Khan is also right. That's right, Chehek. Let's move to 13th question number. Wait. All the sides are in. Yes. Yes, Bhumika, Riddhima, correct. Bhuvi is also correct. Riyan Kumar wrong. Vishal wrong. Riyan Azhar Khan is right. Aditya Biswas right. Arav right. Prapti right. Chehek right. Joel, you're wrong here. Yes, Jan, you're right here. Charvi is right. Adit Goyal is also right here. चिराग रावत रॉन्ग. अनइक्वल लिखा है, इक्वल नहीं लिखा है. Okay, let's check the question carefully. 13th question. 13th is A part, scale-in. Scale-in is the correct answer. Okay. 14th is answer number 14. Yes, Riyan right. Chehek, Prapti, correct answers. Aditya is also correct. Charvi, Jain is also right. Riyan Kumar is right. Arav Sharma wrong. Ryan Kumar right. Bhuvi Chandan, you're right. No. Riddhima is right. Joel, you're wrong here. Sorry, you're wrong here. Arav Sharma, roll number 4, is not answering any question. I think he has not answered any question right now. So the answer is A part, interior. A part of the plane inside a closed curve is called its interior. Not exterior, beta. Interior. Inside a closed curve. The answer will be interior. Question number 15. Number of integers lying between -2 and 2 is yes, right. Chehek, Charvi, Ryan, Tanishq, Aditya, Ridhima wrong. Bhumika right. Ridhima wrong. What are you writing? Again and again you're writing the answer. So you have to write na. Haan. Prapti wrong. Prapti, you're wrong here. Chehek is correct. So the answer is 3. -2 और +2 के बीच में कितने ऑप्शन आते हैं? -1, 0 and +1 are coming. So 3 numbers are there, na? If you see the number line, -2, then -1, then 0, then +1. Between -2 and 2, there are 3 numbers. So 3 is the correct answer, C part. Let's move to the next question. Anish Mathan, open your camera. Sunny, Yashjan, cameras on kariye beta. Joel, Kanishka, hurry up, open your camera. Question number 16. Answer is Ryan Kumar, you're wrong here. Riddhima is wrong. Tanishq is right. Joel is wrong here. Chehek answer is right. Ryan Nazar Khan wrong. Kanishka is wrong. Ryan Kumar is also wrong. Prapti Agarwal is correct here. Chirag is wrong. Charvi is right. Anish Mathan wrong. Charvi is right here. Kanishka wrong. Bhumika wrong. Ryan Kumar wrong. Yes, Kanishka, you're right here. Joel is correct. So the answer is A part 10. There are 10 numbers, even numbers, which are between 58 and 80. Let's move to question number 17. 3/2, 1/9, 4/5, 7/5. Which is the biggest fraction here? Yes, Adit Goyal, you're right here. Charvi, you're wrong. Aryan Kumar wrong. Riddhima Kapoor wrong. Wrong here, beta. The number which is having the lowest denominator is the biggest number. Number which is having the lowest denominator is the biggest number. Keep it in your mind. Yes, 3/2 is the correct answer. Ryan Kumar, Ryan Azhar Khan. Denominator should be the lowest. जिसका denominator सबसे छोटा होता है, that is the biggest number. So here 3/2 is the correct answer. Chehek, movie right. Next question number. Any two sides of a polygon with a common end point are called? Ryan Azhar Khan, Ryan Kumar, it's correct here. Inshallah Ahmed wrong. Ryan Azhar Khan is right. Tanishq wrong. Chirag is right. Arav Sharma wrong. Prapti right. Joel wrong. Adit Goyal right. Adit Goyal is correct. Joel, you're wrong here. Charvi is right. Chehek is right. Fatima, wrong. Wrong answer. So the correct answer is adjacent, D part. Okay. Next question. Question number 19. Bhuvi, you are wrong here. Ryan Azhar Khan is correct. Chirag is correct. The least integer lying between -10 and -15. Charvi is correct here. Joel, you're wrong here. Tanishq, you're wrong here. Ryan Kumar, absolutely wrong. Chehek is right. Ryan Kumar is right here. Now Tanishq is right. Tanishka, wrong. Inshal Ahmed, right. Adit Goyal is also right here. Tanishkar, you are wrong here. Inshal is correct. Prapti Agarwal, wrong. Tanishka is wrong. क्या कर रहे हो Kanishka? How many answers you will be writing? So -14 is the correct answer. Okay. The least integer which is lying between -10 and -15 is -14. That is the least integer. सबसे छोटा integer -14 है. Now question number 20. That's right. B part pictures. That's right. Kanishka, Inshal, Charvi, Ryan Kumar, Chehek, Kanishka, Ryan Azhar Khan. Prapti, Bhuvi, Ritima, Joel. Joel is wrong. Adit Goyal is correct here. Bhumika is correct here. So I think everybody has got this. Arif Sharma right.